Super cute store. Hello. It's all pink. How cute is it? So cute. I'm here with Leo.
Hi.
Here we have
Laura.
a little budget. So let's see what we can find for $100. Look absolutely fabulous. Stay tuned. The challenge is to find almost the same outfit somewhere else for cheap.
Okay.
For less than $100.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
We just did a walk at Bergdorf. We saw a few things. The girls didn't like almost anything because it's very old-fashioned, right?
Yeah.
Old ladylike. Come over. What is in for me? I love pizza. I need that hat.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Are you sure? Are you
that's
sure?
too crazy.
No,
I like pizza though. I like pizza.
You
but
can dress like that. Oh yeah.
I love those. I like the shoes.
That one too.
I like the shoes. That's it. So let's see if I can get something similar. That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard. Oh no. Okay, that's it. That's what I want.
Let's go get pizza now.
That I can get for less than $100.
Yes.
There's nothing like the smell of these cars in here. Who wants a gyro? Okay, so this is more resort wear. Okay. The pants maybe. I don't know. I'm surprised this is a men's bag, but
It is beautiful though.
the new style for guys is just to wear man bags. So I already started a few years ago, so I think I started the trend. What else we have here? That's what I need to wear when I water my plants. Oh, look at the tennis shoes. Layering is very important. So you do a t-shirt, shorts, you know, you have your tank top, then layered. The trends this year, they're kinda, I don't know. The men's fashion. I don't know. What should I get? Or Bergdorf? I don't know Bergdorf. There's nothing like we have really liked. All right. What do you like, Laura? You like
I
it?
love that. Yes, absolutely.
In trench, very elegant.
Yes.
See, things like that are worth the money because it's timeless. You can wear it year after year, never goes out of style.
That's just the
She
orange.
might
I
buy a
love
trench coat today.
Yes, I might.
Like a girly going to school, and we got Miss Chanel over here. Okay, let's all reassess. What do you think so far, and what do you think you're gonna get?
So I like the trench coat.
You like the trench coat?
I like the trench coat. It's very
Okay.
sophisticated. So I'm gonna
Okay.
look for a trench coat of that color or maybe another color.
Okay.
Same kind of look, same kind of concept.
Okay, and what about you?
Anything yet.
I know you wanted a yellow dress.
Yes, definitely.
So what we're gonna do for you, we're gonna find a yellow dress.
Yeah.
Okay?
A yellow suit or a yellow, cute.
Yeah.
We have a mission.
We can do it. We have the
can do
mission.
it.
Beautiful, beautiful things. And what? Who's that? That mannequin looks like Leo. Oh, what are you doing there? That's the Love and Pride collection. Very pretty. It's very Emilio Pucci, actually. We have to come back here.
Okay.
We gotta come back here.
Yeah.
That
Definitely.
hot.
That one, very good.
Oh,
Yes.
I love Zara. We did quite some damage in here. I mean, it was over $450. Shoes, accessories, suits, jackets, not too bad. So let's start. There used to be $8 and I paid $4. $4. How cute. Sandals, $2. $2 and they're actually comfortable, have like that nice little cushion. And $9. And they're very nice. Water bottle, can keep hydrated. $5.50. Maintains your water cold for 24 hours. Not bad at all. Okay, moving on. Let's see what else we have. Like a workout sweater, $3. Quality, see, nice and stretchy. As you can see, I have these shorts, and I got them in a different color. $6. How cute this is. It's almost like a seersucker. $11. Skinny jeans. This one, it has like that little gift into it. See, has that stretch material. Only $16. Some dress pants, $25. Jacket that would make a whole suit. This one was a little more expensive, was $55. Black denim, again, stretch skinny, low rise, $16. I got socks. Amazing, this blazer is like a baby blue color. I love it. This is just a funky glasses. Nothing too fancy, but I want it just for the season. Need $5. I love caps. This one we paid $4. First I got this yellow scarf for $3. And it's very light. It's almost like a chiffon-ish type of material, see-through. This I can add it on top of a t-shirt or a tank top and jeans or shorts. A belt for $6. Oh, I wore this the other day. This was like $14. It's like my Ace Ventura shirt. How cute that is. Chinos in a light green color for, I don't know, maybe $16 as well. And white shorts, $6. This is a bathing suit, but I use them as shorts too. $6. White tank top, $1. $6 for another bathing suit. Really nice. This is a stretch chino, $15. This is $10. Some sandals, $12. Shirt, $12. This is a set. The shorts here are only $8. How cute in blue. Chin top again. I got these linen pants, great for summer. We're $18. Jacket, $10. Nice. It's almost like an Inspector Gadget. Oh, I love it. How nice. $10. And I wish you can feel the material. It is substantial. So much better than H&M or Forever 21. So for fast fashion, Primark, you gotta check that store out. How cute this is. This is $13 for this top. But when it's $5, $3.50. Look how cute. It's almost like a rainbow color. It's a multicolor. Oh, very Miami Beach. Love it. This one is $8. I like it so much that I have to get it in a different color for $3.50. And shopping was done. A lot of clothes. Think about it. One item in a high fashion store, you would pay about this amount of money. You would pay over $400 for an upscale jacket. Not opposed to it. It's good to have your upscale pieces, but when you want something to update your wardrobe for a season, visit Primark. I mean, I'm not affiliated with them, but they're a good store. If you like some of these items, check it out online, and there you have it. I haven't had my coffee yet. I don't even know how I'm filming right now. I'm not quite a morning person, so I'm gonna head downstairs and get my coffee. Before I do, I need to show you. Here in my studio. So, I just sprayed bond number 9 New York Nights. So since I'm heading to New York, I had to spray it. Share the specs later. Is it the specs for a fragrance? The ingredients. You know what I'm saying. Same thing.